After 30 days of shelter in place, the COVID-19 crisis is having some expected and surprising impacts on local real estate markets. I'm David Stark, and welcome to a special edition of the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. We're going to focus just on the first half of April 2020 and compare that with the same period from 2019. Let's start with the number of homes that are listed for sale. Here's where things get interesting. While we had seen a reduction in homes coming on the market during March 2020, in some parts of the East Bay there was an increase in inventory. 880 corridor up 19%, West Contra Costa County up 51%, and in Central Contra Costa County up 32%. But in other regions, La Miranda down 11%, Tri-Valley down 14%, fewer homes listed for sale. No surprise, as there's been some nervousness about what's going to happen in real estate among sellers. But take a look at the Delta, inventory up 21% compared with the first half of April 2019. So, we've got a mix of inventory. Some regions, more homes for sale. Other regions, a big reduction in homes for sale. What impact is this and just general nervousness about home buying and the economy having on sales prices? Let's take a look. The COVID-19 crisis has us worried about a lot of things, but there seems to be a lot of confidence in home ownership. Check out sales prices. 880 corridor, median sales price up 14%. West Contra Costa up 11%. Central Contra Costa basically flat, only up 3%. Exception is La Miranda down 4%. Tri-Valley, though, up 10% to $1.3 million, and the Delta up a healthy 7% to $560. We've got a mix of inventory depending on where you are in the East Bay, and prices for the most part are up. What impact is this having on sales? Let's take a look. Sales activity down throughout the East Bay. 880 corridor down 33%. West Contra Costa down 18%. A big drop in Central Contra Costa County. 66 homes sold during the first half of April 2020. That's a 44% drop. La Miranda down 15%. Tri-Valley down 27%. And the Delta with 93 homes sold down 18%. So what does the first half of April 2020 tell us about what's going to happen as we move into the spring selling and buying season? Well, pending sales is a great indicator of what the future might hold. Throughout the East Bay, pending sales are down during the first half of April 2020. 880 corridor drops 44%. West Contra Costa down 45%. Central Contra Costa down 38%. La Miranda, a big drop, 47%. But the largest drop were just the 44 units listed pending for sale in the Tri-Valley. That's a 68% drop compared with April 2019. Delta down 38%. Here's your mid-April East Bay real estate snapshot. Inventory, it's mixed. Prices still strong, but sales activity and pending sales both way down. We'll give you another update in a few weeks. Until then, stay healthy.